And thank you to every viewer, every view, every subscription, every comment, every like. Thank you guys. You're my new sponsors. Yeah, with you guys I can do so much more. But anyway, come from a powerful beach break. This home beach break of mine is solid, dude. Gets heavy out here, so always bigger boards, stronger equipment. Anyway, shot man, thanks for the views. I'm gonna get out there. I must stop talking cock. I'll show you what I'm gonna ride. All to myself again, guys. Solo session, eh? This is how it is down here. There would be a shore break later, but the west is gonna come through a bit too early, so I'm gonna go surf now on the low, out the back. Should be fun. Amped. Yeah, there's pretty much a west and rain coming for the next few days, so this is like the only session I'm gonna have, at least going left. This is the season of lefts, so yeah, let's go get a couple. Oh, fresh. Oh, shore break bank is sick. Tide is low though, so we're gonna go surf the outside. Whoa! Kind of all over the place. There's a couple of peaks to choose from. Let's see what happens. Hopefully I can stay on my board and not throw it away like the last one. You believe it, it's glassed off. The west is going to come, but I've caught it on the switch, which is very rare. Got to be dedicated to be here when this happens. But yeah, like I said, thanks to you guys, you motivate me to get in the water. I hope I'm motivating you to get in the water and we can all just go surf and share. I just tried to paddle onto the peak and I went past it. There's the white water right here, and there's some good lefts that just ran through, came past me now. Let me see if I can line them back up. If a big enough one comes through, it's going to break out here and then just run across, so let's see what happens. Damn. Blew that wave. It was caught in between two mines. But something that I learned through surfing a lot is if your board's starting to go badly, it doesn't feel as fresh as what it used to, take the wax off and re-wax a fresh coat. It will make the board lighter. It will help with its flex. The more wax you have on your board, the more it dampens the flex of your board. So your board won't be as responsive and feel as alive. So try and keep the wax light on your boards as possible. They're obviously super grippy, so you can still stick to it. time, just cutbacks. I want to get a runner before the session's over. I think the first peak I was at was probably better. Then this is going to be like, I told you so. Kakacha. But guys, making the most of the mundane, taking the worst and making it good, and appreciating everything that I have. So I'm gonna come surf. You guys see how the sun is disappearing? It's getting overcast. Yeah, cold front on its way. Oh, it's already here. Oh man! No way! Ah! What's inside? I'm sure you can hear the frustration. Damn! Came here for that peak, then got caught inside. No way! I need to get away. It's getting desperate, people. I'm gonna just get one more. Damn. Can't seem to be in the right spot. And the sets are like such a long period. Oh, beach breaks. You gotta love them, they're so difficult to surf. I mean, there's waves around me, good waves, but then try catch them. Challenge accepted. Let's get one, come on. I'm gonna stay determined, positive. Not that one, not that one. Difficult session, not very good. Oh, windy. Yeah. Yeah, windy. The shore break banks are going to be gone now, or at least the swell direction was perfect for them, but anyway, unfortunate. Oh, and the bowls are going to be small. I don't think it's even worth going to town. It's going to be like 1 foot. So yeah, until we meet again, thanks for watching, appreciate it. Yeah, you want to see what I was surfing? Look how miserable that is. I'll surf in that, guys.